Good morning, myself Sunil Aute. Uh, this lecture is on disaster management. To giving the presentation for the HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. This seminar presentation, Disaster Management Online Refresher Course 2021 seminar presentation on disaster management. Roll number 02, Mr. Sunil Babamrao Aute, Assistant Professor Chemistry, Kohinoor Arts, Commerce and Science College, Khultabad, District, Aurangabad. Disaster. What is meant by disaster? Disaster, it is in Marathi, Apatti Vyavasthapan. Disaster management is in Marathi, Apatti Vyavasthapan. It is also emergency management. In English, it's also known emergency management. What is meant by disaster management? Disaster management can be defined as the organization and management of resource and responsibilities for dealing with all humanitarian aspects of emergency. Means those people are suffer or those are in that disaster, stuck in disaster, to relieve that peoples or any relief or to neutralize that disaster. According to international federations, Red and Cross, Red and Crescent Society, the more people are becoming vulnerable to the disaster or are forced to cap with act of violence, financial crisis and growing uncertainty, often without adequate support from their governments. Disaster can be either natural or human-made events and can include pandemics, technological disaster or environmental cataclysms. The disaster management can be defined as a disaster as defined by the United Nations is a serious disruptions of the functioning of the community or society which involve widespread human, materials, economy or environmental impact exceed the ability of the affected community or society to cope using the own resources. Then the disaster management is the natural disaster and armed conflict have marked human existence throughout history and have always caused a peak in mortality and morbidity. The advance in the humanitarian response to public health over the past 50 years and challenges currently faced on managing natural disaster and armed conflict. The type of disaster, there are mainly two types of disaster. One is natural disaster, another one is man-made disaster. The natural disaster, according to the International Federation and Red and Cross, Red Crescent Society, natural disasters are naturally occurring physical phenomena caused either by the rapid or slow onset event that have immediate impact on human health and secondary impact causing further death and suffering. These disasters can be geophysical earthquake, landsliding, tsunami, volcanic activity, hydrological avalanche and floods, climatological extreme temperature, drought, wildfires, then meteorological, there is a cyclone, storm, wave surge, then biological disaster is disease, epidemics, and insect animal plagues. This is the natural disaster, and these are the some photographs of this natural disaster. First photograph shown the earthquake, another one volcanoes, then tsunami, landsliding, then the hurricanes. Like this, these disasters are or drought or fire, wide firing is there. Like this, these are the natural disasters. Then the man-made disaster. The man-made disaster is viewed by the International Federation of the Red and Cross and Red and Crescent society are events that are caused by human which occur in our close to human settlements, often caused as a result of environmental or technological emergencies. This can include the environmental degradation, population, accident, industrial technological transport, usually involving the production use of transport of hazardous material. There are these pictures are showing in below or above. There is industrial, the pollution made by the industries, then the wastage of the cities, and the fire of in industries like this. The disaster management, the pandemic emergency. The pandemic is a Greek word. The pan means all and damas means people, is an epidemic of infection disease that has spread across the large region which can occur to the human population or animal population and many affected health and disrupt services leading to economic and social cost. It may be an unusual and unexpected already exist in the certain regions or or populations that is usually free from that disease. Pandemic emergency may occur as a consequence of the natural or man-made disaster. These have included the following epidemics like Ebola, Zika, avian flu, cholera, dengue fever, malaria, yellow fever, coronavirus disease, COVID-19. Like these diseases are in pandemics, and this is the actually biological disaster. Then there are different aspects of the disaster management. The International Federation of Red and Cross, Red and Crescent Society define disaster management as an organization and management of resource and responsibility for dealing with all the humanitarian and aspects of emergency, in particular preparedness, mitigations, response, recovery in order to lessen the impact of disaster. These are four main aspects. One is preparedness, response, mitigations, and recovery. These are four aspects of disaster management to manage disaster or control the disaster. Then disaster management in preparedness, during the preparedness stage, it is important to be skilled in training people to respond to the disaster. It is important to stay organized, which is the best way to ensure readiness. Oral and written communication skill prepare to lay people and emergency response personnel for action in worst case scenarios. The For this purpose, they are trained, identify the risk, developing the plan, implement the implement the train train the peoples, be a leader in your community at the time. These are the factors for preparedness. Then the response, the ability of the quickly make decision is a crucial here in a response, as the response stage is time to sensitive. Another valuable skill is delegating the essential tasks to other volunteers or emergency response, means those people are in the disaster to help that people. There are the ability taking the decision is very important. Then third one is mitigations. Planning is an important skill. During the mitigation stage, the disaster management leader will need to develop strategy and structural changes that can help mediate potential threats. Spreading awareness is also the critical, as community members must be made aware of the steps they can take prepare for the contingency. Then last one is the recovery. Disaster management leaders help their communities recover. The most essential skills are empathy, understanding, and relationship building. Indeed, without earning the trust of the community any recovery efforts are likely to come up short. And the acknowledgement, the thanks to UGC HRDC Dr. Babs Ambedkar Madavala University Aurangabad to give me chance to prepare such type of videos. The Professor Pramod Devule sir, Chairman, Academic Advisory Committee, and Honorable Vice Chancellor. The Professor N.N. Bandela sir, Director, then Mohammad Abdul Rafe sir, Assistant Director, then Dr. Suresh Gaikwad sir, Course Coordinator, all respected teachers, all those help me. Thank you.